angazi babasimelane uke wayibuka yini le symbol and then what is going on here?
Well, yeah, I should definitely the symbols, yeah.
In fact, the person that was organizing it is a member of the church. It's two symbols, but there is one that joins them together.
Yes.
It's that cycle. In the middle. Mrs. Suli, Ingat, the political party. Ingata is yenziwa ngojani.
Yeah.
But also nale yenziwa ngojani, it is a symbol that represents an unbreakable bond. And a bond can only become unbreakable if the foundation on which it is raised and the material with which it's made is honesty. And by honesty, I mean imithetho nje yesithina, in our case yesintu.
Yeah.
Yomuntu. That's what creates Inkatha for us.
Yes.
We would be living within an unbreakable bond and being an unbreakable bond, being one with it, if there's climate addressing. Now that other one that looks like a cross, it's actually not a cross. There is a couple of them. And people have always claimed they are crosses. We have nothing against the cross.
Yeah.
I'm wearing one myself.
Yeah.
As it is. For my personal reasons. And to provoke conversation. Yeah. Why do I provoke conversation? That's Le ndosana yindlu, the size, the petitioning of indlu yesisu. We've got the right side, we've got the left side, we've got umsam. Incidentally, it's placed above umsam. But it's too much. If I got into that, I think we'll be sitting here the whole day. But anyway, I'm just gonna try to summarize it. Leli side la ngamsokula elabantu besilisa. Ngesintu ichilo kutholakala ko umuntu wesimame esenalo. That also is symbolic. Kwa left is side labantu abawoma. It is ichilo kutholakala ko umuntu wesilisa esenalo. That also, if we apply the same rule throughout izinto ze-8,000 people,
yeah,
so much space in the world. And then phezulu umsamo, but you will notice ukuthi zonke lezi zinto, they are a cycle.
exactly.
Ngala, it's a cycle. Ngale, it's a cycle. Phezulu, it's a cycle. What is it talking about? A conglomerate, a unit, or a unity of people who belong in that cycle. You are not alone, it's not just a dot. And to your left, you are not alone. It's not just a dot. It's a cycle. Siyabonga. We are united dealing with the right responsibilities,
Yes.
focusing on the correct mission. It's not that belittles either one of these sides and people who belong in them.
Yeah.
We have been made to believe that is the case. But lesi zinto lama side they are joined into the cycle and also the one above.
Yeah.
Umsamo is what I would call your izidalwa zakini
Yeah.
noNkulunkulu.
Mm.
Siyabonga. We are joined together. You know, I sometimes wonder if we are living outside of God.
Yeah.
I sometimes wonder, but I haven't found an answer to that. I just wonder if we are living outside of God. And if we are, when we die, aren't we being returned to the source? Mawumuntu eboleka umuntu iyembe lakhe seqedile umsebenzi yakhe akaliphosi lapha akalithathele bashe but that is for but ultimately what this is about, men taking care of their responsibility, rightful responsibility, recognizing it, and join together in it. Talking about a home, for instance, for one, we're talking about a community, the next, talking about the entire nation. And women uyindefana and umsamo uyinto efana. That forms an unbreakable bond. Nothing can break that. A household will fall apart at any given moment. I don't care how rich you are. If these things